Hello guys, welcome back to another video of me, Josh Rides. Today I'll be doing my bike check, my 2017 bike check, so I hope you enjoy the video. So, I have the Fit Bike Benny L signature frame Benny 1. It's pretty much all the standard parts except the brake and the pegs. We have a blank seat, which is really nice, a combo seat. This bike comes with an integrated headset, front load stem, 8-inch rise bars, integrated seat clamp, integrated bottom bracket, loud rear hubs, PVC pedals. I've chose to put these pegs on. They're just plastic pegs, but I like wearing them because I don't know, I'm just starting. So I'm running a We The People and blank brake setup, but I'm getting a new one on Monday. So yeah, so we're gonna get some clips now. Keep watching the video, hope you enjoy.